Hello, my name is Megan Birchfield, and this is my interpretation of an artist's book. With this only being my third English course at Coastal, I didn't have any prior knowledge of an artist's book's essence. Over the course of this semester, and in covering A Humument by Tom Phillips, as well as other content, I was able to grasp a better understanding of its meaning. To create my artist's book, I used digital technology, which allowed me to creatively be able to treat the pages from the article on her in a manner that was both precise and neatly conveyed. After going through and highlighting some of my favorite diction from each page, I went back and found images that best suited the image. Here, I have screenshotted and that I was able to highlighted words which reflect the words that I choose from each. My theme for each of these perfect to emanate. First treated page, the word that stood me is love. Next, and further that I felt could come to someone that is lonely versus the way that others make that crosses dictating. I knew that I write this, seeing as a word to the situation. To draw that and more thought-provoking, my final choices together they read, fall in love with the intimate him, dictating when reading the words and linear on the page, was in charge of his own love. This is a peculiar content for the intimate being alone. In your reading path, you can see the picture in the background across the water isn't being talked about. For my second treated, it's a close-up of the word bruised. I saw this word, I know all of their choices around this word, and this can be many different than others depending on their path. Next, another word, two words out, sort of like age, where we talked about the word, the concept of dark looming feel to the sea. Now all of the words alone, with nothing. It feels as fault for the loss of human has from isolated addictive traits. Path, pushed away, living alone from bruised human. In this sense, a life which called to poor interactions with others is a similacrum on this page. The treated page had an ambience. Focusing on the words of these caught my path could work for this page, which have a charismatic quality could choose from the middle of the page. One order is accept her of bodies romantic. That verse when being intimate, accepting her for who she is. For the fourth treated page piqued my interest of the needs of others, what it sounds like. Something that is so. I skimmed me of a similar little idea. These words together condition unquestioned needs of others, and so portray and the image I selected to bring himself as more important than the people that's. In my next page, I began with, which can go in any direction. Continue on to highlight disperse to signify that one is love that has been withdrawn. These remind us of isolation. The two, whether that loved one is broken, has been there, that is derogatory to their nature. Page as disperse love. Any days that they have, similar yet. I had quite a jump in his background as more whimsical. Last page, the words that most. I like the diff take you down. This is an extension on the page. Words I chose to accompany fidelity, and if words create a contradict fantasy, actually, I like that these words added. After this, I was able to their inaccessibility inflated the angelic fantasies. I wanted this to pour out of one's reach of ever actually achieving the perfect to have. The language here over for each page, able to create my own rendition of for the knowledge that I have learned from things that you have given me as being your student this semester.